Any realization or lesson learned while filming the show? Please answer it in English form. Just kidding. Buboy, did you understand the question? Would you like me to repeat it?
How about you?
I'm just
Did
reading.
you understand it?
I'm just reading.
Okay. Can you repeat the question, please?
Sabi ko na nga ba.
Feeling ko talaga tayo nawawala kong tatay dito.
What makes Firewall timely and important for Filipino audiences today? Any realization or lesson learned while filming the show?
Well, nakakatuwa po dahil nga ngayon ay di sama. Ayoko yung word na sinasakop. Hindi naman siya word na sinasakop. Kumbaga, yung mundo po ngayon ay punong-puno na po talaga ng technology at hindi na po natin may kakaila na panahon na po nito ng mga anak po
Nasa
namin.
cellphone na lang.
Nasa cellphone na lang. Thank you for that, Chief. Anyways po. So, maganda po yung firewall na ito dahil like sinasabi ko po kanina, ang firewall ay gusto ko po talaga matuto. Bakit gusto ko po matuto? Kasi ang dami na po nangyaring scams, ang dami na po nangyaring